Some other updates now. They won't hesitate to carry Pak flags and raise anti-India slogans on the streets of Srinagar. But they will be the first ones to queue up outside the Chief Minister's office seeking an Indian passport on humanitarian grounds. Massive political row erupts over Gilani seeking passport to travel abroad. Now the separatists demand even leaving the PDP-BJP alliance in Jammu and Kashmir divided.
Jammu Kashmir is a disputed territory.
He has raised anti-India slogans countless times.
जम्मू कश्मीर न भारत का हिस्सा है और न अभी पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा है.
He believes Jammu and Kashmir is not a part of India, is a disputed territory instead.
Jammu Kashmir is a disputed territory, and the people of Jammu and Kashmir should be given right to self-determination so that they will decide their future and their destination, whether they want to be with India or accede to Pakistan.
He has even raised Pakistan's flag at rallies on Indian soil. The very same separatist leader is now seeking an Indian passport, and his demand is threatening to create the next standoff between the ruling allies, the PDP and the BJP.
We feel this is a humanitarian problem and this should be dealt with at that level.
What were the flip-flops of the BJP government when dealing with Pakistan? I think on this issue, the BJP government must be complimented that they have finally drawn the red line. And we have to enforce this red line for anybody who takes an anti-national stand. In fact, even if Gilani was given a passport earlier, but he has gone back on his commitment to respect the sovereignty of India, his passport can be revoked and withdrawn. So once given is not for life.
Gilani Sahab was given passport not only twice, thrice, but 4 times. Why don't the government of India issue the passport on that analogy? Number 1. Number 2, so far as Gilani is concerned, it is not new thing for him.
ये कैसे हो सकता है कि आप यहाँ आतंकवाद और अलगाववादी हरकतें करें और पाकिस्तान के झंडे लहराएं और हम जो है वो आपको वीज़ा दें, कहिए कि जाइए आप पाकिस्तान में जो है उनको जो उनसे उसका इनाम लेके आइए. ये नहीं हो सकता.
The separatist is seeking to visit his ailing daughter in Dubai. But will those grounds be enough to soften the BJP?
Who doesn't believe in Indian constitution should not have the privileges under the constitution of India and under the democratic country. If Gilani Sahab writes that he is an Indian citizen, we have no problem. That means from last 25 years what he was preaching is all wrong. Let him write. We are not objecting his passport.
Passport or no passport for Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, this fresh controversy is surely going to once again test the 2-month-old PDP-BJP coalition in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Twice in the past, in 2011 and 2013, Gilani's application was rejected. The reason? He left the column for nationality blank. So, will Gilani now change the stand he has held for years? Will he publicly say that he is a proud Indian? Bureau Report, Times Now.